हेलो एवरीवन। उम्मीद है आप लोग ठीक होंगे। आज की वीडियो है रिक्रूटमेंट ऑफिसर के टॉप 10 इंटरव्यू क्वेश्चंस और आंसर्स के बारे में। चलिए स्टार्ट करते हैं। क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 है, कैन यू एक्सप्लेन फुल प्रोक्योरमेंट प्रोसेस यू फॉलो? जवाब है यस। फर्स्ट आई रिसीव द मटेरियल रिक्वेस्ट फ्रॉम द कंसर्न डिपार्टमेंट, देन आई प्रिपेयर द रिक्वेस्ट फॉर कोटेशन एंड सेंड इट टू अप्रूव्ड वेंडर्स. After getting quotes, I compare the prices, delivery time, and terms. I prepare the comparison sheet, get management approval, then issue the purchase order. After that, I follow up for delivery and make sure the items are received properly and invoices are cleared. Question number 2. How do you choose the right vendor or supplier? जवाब है, I don't just look at the price. I check the supplier's previous performance, quality of material, delivery record, and after sales support. Also, if the supplier is approved and registered with our company or client, that is also important. I always try to build long term trust with reliable suppliers. Question number 3. What will you do if a supplier delays the delivery and the site is waiting urgently? जवाब है, in that case, I will immediately contact the supplier and ask for the reason and expected delivery time. At the same time, I inform my supervisor and the concerned department. If it's critical, I try to arrange the item from an alternate approved vendor or arrange partial delivery if possible to avoid site delay. Question number 4. What is a purchase request (PR) and what is a purchase order (PO? जवाब है, a purchase request is an internal document raised by the department when they need something. It shows the item details and quantity. A purchase order is the official order we send to the supplier after getting approval. It confirms the order, price, and terms. Question number 5. How do you handle price negotiation with a supplier? जवाब है, I always negotiate in a professional way. I tell the supplier that we want quality and long-term business but also need a better price or discount. I compare their price with the market and explain politely. If they give good service, I may agree on price but try to get better payment terms or delivery benefit. Question number 6. What is LPO and why is it important in procurement? जवाब है, LPO means local purchase order. It is very important because it is the legal proof of what we are ordering, how much it costs, and when it should be delivered. Without LPO, the finance team will not release the payment. It protects both buyer and supplier. Question number 7. What steps do you take to avoid purchasing wrong or duplicate items? जवाब है, before making any order, I double check the PR and confirm item details with the requesting department. I check our system to see if the item is already in stock or already ordered. If anything is not clear, I ask the user department before placing the PO. Question number 8. How do you manage procurement records and documentation? जवाब है, I keep soft copies and hard copies of all important documents like PR, quotations, LPOs, delivery notes, invoices, and emails. I use Excel sheets or ERP system to track each order status. Proper documentation helps in audit and tracking any issue. Question number 9. What is the difference between CapEx and OpEx purchases? जवाब है, CapEx means capital expenditure like buying assets, machines, or equipment. These are long-term items. OpEx means operational expenses like buying stationery, fuel, or small tools for daily use. In procurement, we handle both, but approvals and budgets are different. Question number 10. हाउ डू यू इंश्योर प्रिक्योरमेंट इज डन एथिकली एंड विद इन कंपनी पॉलिसी? जवाब है, आई फॉलो द कंपनीज प्रिक्योरमेंट पॉलिसी स्ट्रिक्टली। आई नेवर डील विद ब्लैक लिस्टेड वेंडर्स। I always take minimum 3 quotations and do a fair comparison. I avoid any personal benefit or favoritism. Transparency is very important in procurement. ये थे प्रोक्योरमेंट ऑफिसर के टॉप 10 इंटरव्यू क्वेश्चंस और आंसर्स। उम्मीद है आप लोगों को वीडियो पसंद आई होगी। वीडियो को लाइक करें, चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें और कमेंट सेक्शन में बताइए कि आपको अगली वीडियो कौन से टॉपिक पर चाहिए।